Hey guys, so just a quick update on the bird feeder that we put the pennies on the roof. It has been getting a lot of birds coming in and enjoying. That one right there is my favorite. He's got a red head and a red chest and he's beautiful. My kids have named him Red. Um, just wanted to show you guys that the birds are using it, let you check them out and watch them for a minute. They are loving the bird feeder. I don't know for sure if the pennies on the roof helped, but it sure looks cool. I love how the look of that turned out, and the birds seem to enjoy it too. So I'll let you check out birds for a few minutes, and we'll see you next time. Thanks guys for watching. Also, if you missed the first video where we put the pennies on the roof, make sure you go back and check that out. Thanks guys.